Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to extrude a solid, not a surface, on AutoCAD. When working with 3D modeling in AutoCAD, one of the most common operations is extrusion. Extrusion takes a 2D object and extends it into the third dimension to create a 3D form. However, many users encounter a situation where AutoCAD creates a surface instead of a solid, which can prevent them from performing certain modeling operations, such as creating holes, combining objects, or calculating volume. To create a true solid, the object being extruded must first form a proper closed boundary, and the extrusion mode must be set to solid. When you first open AutoCAD and you're drawing, you'll often have a collection of lines that define the shape you want to turn into a 3D object. One important concept to understand is that individual lines are usually treated as separate objects. If these lines are not connected properly, AutoCAD may not recognize them as a closed profile, which can lead to a surface being created instead of a solid. To solve this, start by selecting the lines that form your shape. Once the lines are selected, go to the command line and type Join, then press Enter. The Join command combines connected lines into a single object whenever possible. After the command finishes, the separate line segments become one continuous boundary. This step is important because solid extrusion works best when AutoCAD recognizes the shape as a complete closed outline rather than a collection of disconnected lines. At this point, it's a good idea to verify that the boundary is fully closed. If there are gaps between line segments, AutoCAD may still generate a surface instead of a solid. Once the lines have been joined successfully, go to the command line and type Extrude, then press Enter. AutoCAD will prompt you to select objects to extrude. Choose the joined object and press Enter to confirm your selection. After selecting the object, AutoCAD displays several options related to the extrusion process. From the command line options, choose Mode. The Mode option controls whether the extrusion creates a surface or a solid. After selecting Mode, choose Solid. This tells AutoCAD that you want the resulting geometry to be a true 3D solid, rather than a surface model. The distinction is important because solids contain volume and can participate in advanced modeling operations, such as Boolean subtraction, union operations, intersections, mass property calculations, volume calculations, hole creation with press pull or subtract. Once solid mode has been selected, specify the extrusion height by dragging the cursor upward or downward. You can either drag visually or enter a precise numerical height value. As the profile extends along the extrusion path, AutoCAD generates a solid object with depth and volume. The result is a true 3D solid rather than a thin surface shell. In professional 3D workflows, ensuring that profiles are properly joined and closed before extrusion is considered a best practice because it reduces modeling errors and creates more reliable geometry. To summarize, creating a solid extrusion in AutoCAD begins by selecting the lines that form the desired shape and using the Join command to combine them into a single object. Once the profile is joined, type Extrude and press Enter. Then select the object and confirm the selection. From the command line options, choose Mode and set it to Solid. Finally, specify the extrusion height by dragging the object or entering a value. AutoCAD then creates a true 3D solid with volume instead of a surface, making it suitable for advanced modeling and editing operations. And that's how to extrude as a solid instead of a surface in AutoCAD. By ensuring your profile is properly joined and selecting solid mode during the extrusion process, you can create true 3D objects that support all of AutoCAD's solid modeling tools. This is an essential technique for mechanical design, architecture, engineering, and any workflow involving three-dimensional modeling. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.